Unlock the meaning of rapid run in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and engaging. Today, we're going to unravel the layers behind the phrase, rapid run. If you've stumbled upon this phrase and pondered its meaning, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and make sense of it together. When we break down the phrase into its two components, we have the words rapid and run. Rapid describes something happening in a quick or fast manner. On the other hand, run can mean several things, but in this context, it typically refers to a continuous effort or movement. Put together, a rapid run often implies a situation where someone or something is moving quickly in a continuous flow. It could be literal, like someone running swiftly during a race, or metaphorical, like a quick succession of events happening one after the other. In everyday English, rapid run can be used in various scenarios. Here are a few. 1. Sports commentary. The athlete made a rapid run towards the finish line, leaving competitors behind. 2. Business. The startup has had a rapid run this quarter with back-to-back product launches. 3. Gaming. Players often experience a rapid run of levels when they're close to beating the game. Understanding the context is crucial because it helps to interpret the phrase correctly. Is it a physical run, a series of events, or perhaps a metaphorical expression referring to success or progress? While using the phrase, rapid run, it's important not to confuse it with similar expressions that might change the meaning entirely. For instance, rapid rundown suggests a detailed explanation given quickly, not a swift movement or series of events. Another common mistake is using rapid run to describe something that is not only fast but also short-lived. The phrase doesn't necessarily imply brevity. So if you mean something was quick but short, brief run might be a better choice. Now, let's put rapid run into practice. I'll say a sentence, and then I'll give you a moment to think about whether it's used correctly. 1. The river had a rapid run after the heavy rain. 2. She had a rapid run of luck with her investments last year. 3. The project was completed in a rapid run, taking only 2 days. Allow a brief pause after each sentence for the viewers to think. Did you get them all? Each sentence correctly uses the phrase to describe quick, continuous actions or events. Thank you for joining me in today's exploration of the phrase, rapid run. I hope this video has clarified its meaning and uses, and you feel more confident incorporating it into your English conversations. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your fluency and enriches your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't forget to run rapidly towards your English learning goals. Until next time, happy learning!